Welcome to Defense Tech World. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most dominant names in motocross, the new 2026 Kawasaki KX450. Known for its championship-winning performance and cutting-edge engineering, the KX450 has earned a reputation as a favorite among professional racers and serious enthusiasts alike. The 2026 model builds on that legacy with refined upgrades that improve handling, power delivery, and rider confidence. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this motocross machine continues to lead the pack. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Kawasaki KX450 arrives with aggressive styling that reflects its race-ready character. The iconic lime green bodywork is paired with updated graphics and sharper body panels for a more modern appearance. Its slim ergonomics and lightweight aluminum frame allow riders to move freely while maintaining excellent control through corners and jumps. Every design element has been refined to enhance both performance and visual appeal. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 2026 KX450 is a high-performance 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled four-stroke engine engineered for strong acceleration and smooth power delivery. Mated to a precise 5-speed transmission, the bike delivers excellent throttle response across the rev range. Updated engine mapping and revised suspension settings improve traction, cornering stability, and overall ride quality. The lightweight chassis and premium suspension components ensure confidence on everything from rough tracks to technical sections. Safety and technology. Kawasaki equips the 2026 KX450 with advanced rider-focused technology to maximize performance. Selectable riding modes allow riders to tailor power delivery for changing track conditions, while launch control helps deliver quicker and more consistent starts. High-performance brakes provide reliable stopping power, and the adjustable suspension system offers excellent feedback and comfort. Together, these features create a machine that's both competitive and easy to control. Conclusion. The new 2026 Kawasaki KX450 continues to set a high standard in the motocross world with its powerful engine, lightweight construction, and race-proven technology. Whether you're chasing podium finishes or pushing your limits on weekend rides, the KX450 is built to perform at the highest level. Stay tuned to Defense Tech World for more automotive and motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the machines that matter most.